Um, Actually, no, they responded after the third quarter run, no. Usually pagka nagkakaroon yung nakakalaban namin ng third quarter, usually we get deflated or natataranta kami. But in today's game, they stayed positive. Everyone stayed positive, and I always tell in the timeout that we need to get stops. We need to get in the defensive end. No, we were really struggling offensively in the third quarter, but I always reminded them that there's always gonna be off night or struggle sa opensa, pero sa depensa we cannot struggle. So yun lang yung na-remind ko sa kanila yung third quarter, and again I have to give credit to all my players. They responded the fourth quarter, and they're learning. No, they're parang nakukuha na nila yung siguro sa experience din na nangyari sa amin in the past, no, na dahil kaming okay sa first and second, in the third quarter, and then dire-diretso na nagkaroon kami ng landslide, no. But this time they responded really well again, no. Too bad we just magkaka-break kami na 9 weeks, no. So sayang, no, sayang yung momentum namin na nandun na sana. But again, we really focus on this game. No, we really needed this game especially before the long break. No, napakalaking bagay sa amin to. And again, I have to commend my players. They came out with a defensive mindset in the fourth quarter. And the start of the game and then the fourth quarter.
Thank you, Coach. We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Agum yan.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, sabi mo nga 9 weeks kayo anong halin na balak nyo?
Well, una, definitely I'll give them breaks, no, but I told the players na part of being professional is hindi kayo mawala sa kondisyon kasi mahaba. Ang sinabi ko sa kanila, kung sinong pinaka-smart dito sa break na to sa mga teams, I think yun yung team na may malaking chance to go to the playoffs. Kasi it's gonna be, maraming pwedeng mangyari, with this break. And ako, personally, I have to do my Gilas duties, as an assistant coach, this window and then Asian Games. But again, I know my players. They will, actually, I asked some of them will not go home and siguro mga 1 week or 2 weeks lang, and they will start working already. So kasi they know the importance of this break and this conference for us.
Jerome, nung last time sinabi ni Coach Ellie, ikaw raw yung madalas yung pagalitan sa yan ba yung way of you responding dun sa kung ano man yung sinasabi niya lagi sa'yo?
Yes, for me, yes. Kasi doon naman tayo matututo and never take for granted na laging nagagalit yung coach natin. It means may pakialam siya and gusto niya lang ma-improve pa yung laro.
Coach, yung nanginaya ka ba, kahit yung sabi ko nga, yung momentum na sabi hindi, wala kayo. Nakakang break yun.
Oo, sayang yung momentum na nakuha namin. Again, 'di ba? We beat really good teams and strong teams, no? So sayang. But again, that's beyond our control. We'll definitely be smart about this break. We'll make use of this break just to reassess kung ano yung mga kailangan pa naming improve going to the playoffs, no? Going to the next 3 games, big games, pagbalik October 9. And when we get back naman, back-to-back games naman kami. No? So we have to be ready for that. For now, I just have to give them a really good break. No? And again, I'm just gonna remind them that we have to be smart about it. No? And I know my players. I trust them. I trust them, and I believe na sa kanila, sa mga decision nila. Matatanda na itong mga to. Alam na rin.
But si Mike Taronga, ganda rin ang laro tonight.
Well, si Mark, hindi, wala akong masabi the way he plays, no? Sa age niya, 'di ba, alam naman natin. Pero nakikita ko yung leadership niya, not in a vocal way, but in yung presence niya sa loob ng court every time that he's on the court. He's very comfortable na. Actually, he's comfortable with his role. He's not playing a lot of minutes. He's playing quality minutes. No, we just again we need our vets. We need Ian, we need Paul, we need MB to be the role model for these guys. And in practice, nakikita ko naman yung gelling ng team, no, especially the young core and the vets, no. So malaking bagay sa amin si MB, and the way he takes care of his body, saludo ko sa kanya. I'm not gonna be surprised if mabubura niya yung record ko, pero nasa sa akin pa rin ang beat. So, pwede ko sa ibang ko eh. So, pero again, the way he takes care of his body, kung makikita nyo, talagang ibang klase talaga. I'm not surprised that he's still playing like this and sa ganitong level.
May balak na buray yung record.
Pag 7:43 na. Sa akin, wala siyang magagawa.
That ends our post-game press conference.